So before I start the accounting treatment for the debentures, I would like to make you familiar with the names of the installments. I know you know it very well. You have already learnt in the issue of shares. Suppose company issues 10,000, 6% debentures of ₹10 each, and this money is called in one installment. I mean to say this money is being called in lump sum. And you know, first installment is called debenture application. Now the next example. Suppose company issues 10,000, 6% debentures of ₹10 each, and this money is called in two installments, 3 plus 7. First installment is ₹3 and the second installment is ₹7. First installment is called debenture application and the second installment is called debenture allotment. Let's take another example. Suppose company issues 10,000 debentures of ₹10 each, and this money is called in three installments, 3 plus 5 plus 2. First installment is ₹3 and the second installment is ₹5 and the third installment is ₹2. You know, first installment is called debenture application, second installment is called debenture allotment, and this third installment is the final installment. So, just like we used to do in issue of shares, this will be called debenture first and final call. Suppose company issues 10,000, 10% debentures of ₹10 each, and this money is to be called in three installments, 3 plus 5 plus 2. And the company got applications for 11,000 debentures. It means it is oversubscription. Now company has got two options. Either company can reject the extra applications or company can apply pro rata. In this question, we are going to assume that company is going to apply pro rata, and the pro rata will be 11:10. You already know that if there is pro rata, no money is returned to the applicants. Instead, that extra money is applied towards next installment. And in this case, the next installment is debenture allotment. Now journal entries. Journal entries for application. You know, at the time of application, first receipt entry is passed and then transfer or due entry is passed. Bank account debit to debenture application to 10% debentures account to debenture allotment account. Because this is the question of pro rata, so at the time of transfer entry, we must credit debenture allotment account because it's advance money at the time of application. So the amounts will be now for bank account debit to debenture application, because company has got 11,000 applications with ₹3 each. So the company has got 33,000 rupees. You know, debenture application account must be cancelled. So we are going to debit it by 33,000 rupees to 10% debentures. That is 10,000 into 3, 30,000 rupees. To debenture allotment, that will be 1,000 into 3, 3,000 rupees. It means we have got 3,000 rupees as an advance for allotment. Now, journal entries for allotment. Debenture allotment account debit to 10% debentures account and bank account debit to debenture allotment account. You know, transfer or due entry is not affected by any advance money. So the amount will be 10,000 into 5, 50,000 rupees. Now bank account debit to debenture allotment account. That will be 50,000 minus 3,000, 47,000 rupees. Because the money due was 50,000 rupees, we have already got 3,000 rupees as an advance at the time of application. So we will receive only 47,000 rupees. Now debenture first and final call account debit to 10% debenture account and bank account debit to debenture first and final call account. The amount will be 20,000, 20,000.